For different movements, muscles need to contract differently. Some need to shorten, some need to lengthen, and some need to stay the same. This is because perhaps needing to flex your arm when maybe needing to hold an object far out or close to your chest. There are three main types of muscle contraction: isometric contraction, concentric contraction, and eccentric contraction. Firstly, isometric contraction is where your muscle stays the same length whilst contracting. This is where the force of gravity will match the force of your muscles on an object, therefore your muscle will not be moving but you will still be contracting. For example, when holding the netball in front of you, the force of gravity will be equal to the force of your muscle. Secondly, there is concentric contraction. This is where your muscle will shorten in order to perhaps pull something towards your chest. Therefore, you will need a stronger force and gravity and the weight of the object in order to lift that object up. Finally, there is eccentric contraction. This is where the muscle lengthens when contracting. This process will be in place when perhaps extending your arm whilst doing a bicep curl. This is known to be the complete opposite of concentric contraction, as you won't have more force and gravity and weight in order to pull up the object. So when weightlifting, there are three different types of muscles that are actually used in this sport.